Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Race, and in this video series you are learning custom post type in WordPress. So we have created custom post type and also displayed in the admin section, as well as we have added 3 custom post type here, naming as portfolio. Now our next task is, in this video we will display these things in the front section of our theme. So now let's create a page called portfolio. Portfolio page. And now for the timing, just publish it, don't do anything. Now let's go to our theme page and just go to page, just copy it and paste here, rename it as portfolio, and then just open this page. Right here PHP start and PHP close, then comment start and comment closed. Now right here template name, remember T should be capital, name and should be capital, and then colon here, and remember you can't write like this, there should be no space between colon and name, but yes, in the right side you can put the space if you like. So I'll write here portfolio template. Okay, now let's go to admin section and just update or refresh this page, and you will see here in the template section, here the template section you will see the portfolio template just appearing here. So just update this, and now what I'll do, in this header menu I will add, go to appearance, then menus, and then find header menu. So this is the header menu, and let's add here this portfolio page. Just add to the top menu. You can also rename, simply you can keep it as portfolio, not page. So just, and in the front section it has started displaying portfolio. So when you click this, it is displaying here. So this is also called custom page. We have just created custom page. Now let's go to this page and write query here. Just remove this section and write this query here. So I've written here $blue new WP query. Okay, this is function. Okay, this is class. Okay, so array, you just pass parameter, then post type portfolio, and post per page. How many page do you want to display the post here? So I'll write here 8. Currently we have added the only 3. Now let's close here and while. Okay, and in this section, we will create one div and then div, and inside this I'll write here div as well as div for title. So I'll show here PHP the title. This is PHP WordPress function through which you can display title. And then below this, let's add another div for displaying image. The post thumbnail. And then if you want to display description also, then just write here the content. Okay, so we have created three sections, but here just writing inline CSS. So width, sorry, width say 300 px, border 1 px, solid red, float left. Now let's test it. Let's go to the front section here. Refresh the page and you can see the images are coming. So what I'll do, I'll just write here array, then height and width, say 100 and 100. Just refresh it and you can see the portfolio displaying here. So rather than 350, I'll just write 150, so that will be better. Now it is displaying the content here. So let's remove the border and now you can see the portfolio displaying here. Suppose you want to add one more, so just go to here and add new portfolio and just write here portfolio 4, folio 4. Then this is description of folio 4. Now let's go to image section and publish. Refresh the page and you can see this fourth image. So as you could see, the same thing if you do through PHP MySQL, then it will take a lot of time, but using this custom post type, the same thing can be done without writing much programming language. So hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.